anyway, let's just quickly actually I've been trying to think, being able to, I've just remove nothing new. All right, but okay, we get to become why did this happen? Few minutes to be on this wonderful day. And although initially I wanted to start teaching or lecturing people or teaching people about, you know, what forex is all about, but for now this is not the time. Okay. And secondly, like, a guy was always asking me where, I mean, just came to my DM, was asking me where are my tools, where are my tools. I was asking what tools for that, was asking me where are the Rolls Royce and Lambos, and like, wow, if this is your reason for wanting to become a financial trader, definitely you're out, you're out of your brains are not there. Okay, why not, you know, try and try first of all and seek perfection, become a very calm. There are no two ways about it. Now, I've done it before, but I was still, you know, looking for how well I can really go about it. What can I do to make sure to really perfect this thing? Okay, you're going to see, you know, tens of the songbooks tell you its currency and all of that. But the point is how you find it very difficult to trace, but there are very important tools around it. Now, this is what I did. I did, okay, then. So for those who didn't, this is Wushi actually. All right. Now, so much so that Karen Fu, I learned from her. Okay, I just checked online too, made some research that, you know, tells me that ranks add BTC is actually BTC USD. You see that BTC USD is on the BTC USD has done today. But in my case, I just wanted to, I wanted to work. It does what I wanted to do. I saw it in the morning about that. Now back to the tool. Now this is what I asked about 28 to, that's about 28 to 32. But what I did was, can this calculate, you know, the bigger picture for me? Why this calculate the smaller picture? Now at this point, if I'm able to get the same financial instrument here and it's also here, all right, then I should now, I would now start analyze the market, maybe, or my favorite stop and use a different kind of concept, top down analysis. All right, let's quickly look at, you know, look at it here. Okay, now let's, okay, I'll pick this is also XA, where I made this is the XAU USD on. Okay, now there's it, this one after the, you see it just climbed up a little bit. Let's have it here now. Although this trend, maybe the chart to look at Euro New Zealand, you definitely, it's actually selling. All right, now you can see land is actually also selling. Let's go after price dropped, there was end at let's just look at that point from there, and so far so good. It had trading. Okay, I want it to be scan, you know, in this regard. This had a high probability trade. I look at it, I say that okay, New Zealand, Japanese yen, so also have AUD here. Now where do this section here to about 10, 1 2 3 in a day, that means a day. All right, anywhere you get to see that actually, okay, because okay, when I saw it in the morning, it was, you see it just updated Euro New Zealand and USD. Once I have this, like I said, I could use SMC in this regard. I could use ICT, I could use TDA, which is stop down, because to me I forced high probability trade. So like I posted on my Forex Factory, I just like my system, the outcome, if I follow my system, the outcome on my that is not, I'm not the one that, I just saw it somewhere and I was like, wow, this is actually what I should use as my signature. All right, I got that in a day I'll get to see a trade. So far so good. Let's look at what we have of you know. All right, I don't want to minimize, I just want to make sure we bring it down. All right, if you can still see it clearly. Let's look at AUD/JPY. Today JPY has trended to the upside very well. You see, that means you're going to see something to trade. This is just so far so good. I've made about, from this point here, over 50 pips. All right, then let's look at another one. Let's JPY. All right, so let's look at CHF/JPY. all right, the same thing but over 90 pips. So the fact is, you definitely are going to now look at where BTC USD just appearing to get us. It is so much so that it will trigger to my phone, right? It will just trigger to my phone. Actually, that is a beautiful thing too. Which other one do we have? New Zealand are just taking advantage of it. But it tells me USD/JPY2 was, at some point it was. All right, and it will instrument or just one pair. Silver, both are also, and silver, both of them are okay. So this is US today alone. I definitely will be coming up with benefited here. All right, gonna capture all of this at once. All right, just this also comprehensively. This is cumulative. In fact, found it. All right, so I had to go to Twitter to ask some friends to do. These other ones are just at a point. Make sure you take a trade. I want, the most important thing is, I want to trade it. I want to go strong. The most important thing is, I want to trade it. I want to go strong. Okay, effing retail trader. I knew, say, it's actually dropping. This was actually this area. I hope you guys can see. Okay, this was actually the area I analyzed USD card from. Hoping that this was actually the area I analyzed USD card from. Hoping that it was gonna put it on my Telegram that protect your profits. I just got out of it because I don't want to take it to the next day. Now look at what has happened. It's just had to reset itself again, and it has not in any way, looking at it from here, price has not actually in any way showed that to you. You definitely will see, take a sell, but I'm still gonna, that will just be use whatever it is that I have my app. So on USD, I'm definitely also looking where my analysis also was from yesterday here. This point here, this also was from yesterday here. This point here, it still dropped. So which means it still dropped. So which means you cannot define the market by USD2. Okay, I'll be looking to maybe post that about that. So if as soon as I get any signal opportunity, as soon as I get any signal opportunity, as soon as all the parameters here are set, all the parameters here are set, bye.